Have you ever considered having a pet at home? There are various animals which can be considered as pets. But among all these animals, dogs are the most common ones, and people usually love dogs more than any other animals. They are not only lovable, but they are faithful and trustworthy. Dogs can also save you from various dangers. So if you have decided to bring this pet home, then you must keep certain things in mind. After you bring him home, it is very important to train him so that he listens to your commands and acts accordingly. It is very important to understand the dog psychology to train your pet. Dogs usually want a master whom they could follow. You need to be the leader of the pack. Proper dog training advice can surely help you make sure dog a well-mannered pet. Different dogs tend to behave differently. You must find out the dog behaviors and what they mean. Sometimes the behavior of the dogs might seem quite complicated to you. It is true that dogs cannot talk like us, and therefore they tend to convey things through different kinds of behavior. To understand the dog psychology, you need to learn how to evaluate these kinds of behavior. Wagging of the tail is one of the most common signals that the dogs show. When the dog starts wagging its tail, it means that he is very happy. This kind of a signal is given by the dog he sees his favorite food or his master after a long time. The other common behavior is sniffing. This is common with every kind of dog. They sniff to recognize certain things. With the smell, they get familiar with the person or the place, and he remembers the smell. If you want to train your dog, then you can get into a dog training school. You should learn how to become a good trainer before you start training your pet. Dog obedience school has become quite common these days because people want to make sure that their dogs become well-mannered and well-behaved pets. Among the various training sessions, you must keep a session for potty training dogs. If you want to make sure that your dog eliminate outside the house or at a particular place, then you should grow the habit of doing it. You should maintain a time to take him out every day for his potty. If you create a schedule for him, then he will never create a mess in your house. Dogs are very special pets, so try to understand the dog psychology. You should love your dog but be firm whenever he commits a mistake. For more information, visit our website at www.factsondogtraining.com.